The Flow Builder is the main tool to set up your bot, to welcome new subscribers, assist users, sell products, and notify a manager about users' questions in the chatbot. Also, a chatbot can gather information and send it to your system for future use. Go to the Bot Structure tab and select a trigger. Welcome message. This flow starts after a user subscribes to your chatbot by Start Command or Website Widget. Standard Reply. This flow starts when a user asks a question that falls outside your bot's scenario or sends an image to your bot. Unsubscription from the bot. This one-message flow starts after a user unsubscribes from your chatbot. Trigger. This flow starts when your custom trigger is fired. Catalog Order. This flow starts when you receive an order from the product catalog if you have created it in the Facebook Commerce Manager. Bot Greeting. This flow starts when a user first interacts with your chatbot. It's important to think about the architecture and logic structure of your bot carefully. A well-designed bot will let users easily get a reply to their questions or place an order successfully by providing the necessary information. Use Start to select the first element that launches your flow. To begin your flow with an element, connect it to Start. To see which trigger starts your flow, click on the Start. You can create regular messages or send template messages. Regular messages can be sent only within 24 hours after the last message is sent by the user, while template messages can be sent anytime. Using the regular message type, you can create a message of any type and add various blocks to it: text, video, media files, user data request, and so on. Use the text element to add text. In the text field, enter up to 2,000 characters of your message text. You can add variables and emoji to personalize your message. Use the button element to engage subscribers. Set your chatbot scenario direction, add a link, and accept payments. To add a button, click Add Button and select a button type: button, list, or payment. Add a link to a website, such as your online store, to URL buttons. The List button opens a list of clickable options. You can add up to 10 items. Diversify your messages by using visual content that relates to your text. Click on the Add button and select the image element. Select how to add your image, as a file or link. You can also specify a dynamic path to the image link. If you have a catalog with products configured in Facebook Commerce Manager, you can add a card or a list of products. Click Add and select Product. Enter the catalog ID, product ID, message body, and footer. Use the File element to add files of any format, except executable files, up to 20 megabytes in size. Upload tickets, cards, checklists, instructions, or other files. Use the Audio element to send audio tracks. Click Add and select the Audio element. Select how to add your audio track. You can also show your audio track as a voice message. Use the Video element to send videos. Click Add and select the Video element. Select how to add your video. Use the Waiting for the Subscriber's Response element to collect and save subscriber replies to variables. Turn on the toggle. Select a validation type. Type in a message users will receive if they enter invalid data, and select the variable to which you want to save the data. Use the typing element to break long messages into smaller passages of up to 4 lines each. Click Add, select the typing element, and enter a value in seconds, from 1 to 25. By default, each element you add is placed at the end of the message element you are working on. Hover on the element that you want to move up or down, and click on the corresponding button. Using the template message type, you can send transactional message templates that were approved by Facebook. Go to the Template tab and choose a template. If you added variables to your template, select them from the drop-down menu where suggested. Each user receives a message with a value for their contact from the Audience tab. You can connect the next element after the message element using the button or the Waiting for Subscribers response function. You can also continue your flow without waiting for the user's response. Drag a line from the blue drop of one element to another element to connect them. Click on the line twice, and you will see a button to remove a connection. The disconnected elements will be highlighted in yellow. Remember that you need to link it to another element. Elements with empty fields will be highlighted in red, reminding that you need to fill in fields. You can simplify your bot structure and move your user to another flow. To do this, add an element, then choose the flow element, and select the flow you want to link from the drop-down list. The flow element will be the last element in this branch of your existing flow. You cannot link it to another element to continue the original flow. Use the action element to apply certain actions to a contact or its data. Select the element in the panel on the left and drag it after the block you're tracking. Then select what action you want to create. Use the filter element to segment customers based on their personal data and previous messages received. Select the element in the left sidebar and drag it after the element that will start your script branching. Then select the condition itself. Combine conditions by adding the operators or add independent additional conditions. After adding conditions, add the additional flow elements to each of the filter element options. If the condition is met, green dot, or not met, red dot. Use the API request element to create requests to a third-party server to create objects or retrieve data, get data, and use it in your chatbot messages. You can save the received data to a variable or add it to a message as JSON path. Select the type of request and enter the URL to send the request to. Use the pause element to set up the period during which no automatic messages are sent to the subscriber. The pause can be set in minutes, hours, or days. Use the AI step element to incorporate AI into your chatbot flows to analyze client needs and conversation tone, process user responses, and branch the flow depending on the goal completion progress. Use the random choice element to send elements from your chatbot script at random for A/B testing, creating quizzes, and more. You can customize the size of the recipient group for each option and send random information and test different chatbot scenarios. Use the repeat element to execute actions at specific time intervals, to send payment reminders, recurring notifications, or other updates automatically. Use the comment element to add comments about your flow performance for yourself or your team. Only you and other team members can see this element. Once you've added and linked all the elements, save your flow before exiting. Click Save and send it to yourself to test your flow. Then, click Save and Exit. You can view the total number of sent and read messages and click-throughs in your flow and its messages in the Structure Bot tab. You can also track button click-through statistics in flow messages. Click the number on a button to see who clicked it.